Hello everyone. Tracking changes is a feature of MS Word and it is a very powerful feature. In this session, we will learn how to track changes in MS Word. Let's start with this. See, we can track editing and formatting changes in our document. Editing means making changes like inserting something, deleting something, and formatting means adding effect to it like bold, italic, underline, highlighting, etc. So we can track all the changes, and it is very important to track changes when more than one person are working on it. And we can track almost every change like deleting, inserting, and formatting. Let's learn how to do it. See, I have taken a sample document here. In this document, few changes are required to be done, and I am doing the changes, and I want to track all the changes I am going to do now. So how to do that? First, your document should be open in the print layout view, which is already there. Then click on review tab. In review tab, you have the track changes option. Click on this track changes. Now whatever changes you will make, it will be tracked by this feature. So first thing I am going to do it to make it in the center. The heading should be in the center. So I have selected it. Go to home. Take the center alignment. Now see in the comment section, separately it has noted down what change I have made to this. Then I am making it underline also. And I am giving some highlighting also to this. So I have taken the highlight also. So I have made 3 changes to the heading and all 3 are noted down in the comment section. So this way it is tracking all the changes. Now one more change I am making, I am adding something. See how what is the change here. When I add something, insert something, see the color of font, it is changing by its own. And if I delete something, see I have selected and I am deleting. I press the backspace key and see what is the change. It is striking through. So strike through means I have deleted this. So it is recording everything. And one more important thing to notice is you can see this vertical bar at the left hand side of the changes sentences. Wherever I have made the change, we can see the vertical bar. Now suppose I make one more change here. I make this word underline. Select the word underline. Now see again one more bar has been added to this and comment is noting down the change I have made. Once your all the corrections, all the updation, all the settings have been changed, you have done everything whatever you want to do with the document. Now how to track it again? For that again go to review tab. It has noted down all the changes. Now I will have two choice, either to accept the change or reject the change. I am starting with this. The first part of the section, it is telling me, see whatever changes you have made, you want to know who has made the changes, that everything is possible. It will show you everything. If I click on accept and move to next, it will accept the change and it is, see out of 3 only 2 changes have been left here. If I might put my pointer here, I can read out who has made the change, what date changes have been made, or what time, and what is the change it has made. So you have to put mouse pointer on every change to notice who has done it. So understood. And now the second change is formatting centered. I don't want to put it in center, then I can reject it. Otherwise I can accept it. When you click on accept, you have two options, move to the next also. So I'll move next. The third change to the heading is left with the underline. I don't want to do the underline. So I will reject and move to next. Now next thing is, remember to this I inserted, so I don't want to insert, reject now, reject and move to the next. So now whatever I had inserted has been removed. Now deleting, I don't want to do this delete task. So what will I do again? Reject and move to next. So now it has not been deleted now because I have rejected the change. Now the last change is left with the document. Accept it. Okay, accept and move the next. Now it is giving me the information document contains no comments or tracked changes. Only these were the changes which it has tracked and we have accepted or rejected. So this is the way this feature is used.